Welcome to my channel. I am back with another hair collab, and today I am collabing with Nadula hair. They sent me this bomb 13 by 4 24-inch black wig, and I'll be installing it with y'all, showing y'all everything that I did to get this look. Everything that you need to know will be in the description box, literally everything, their website, Instagram, discount code, literally everything. So let's get right into this video. So this is the final look. I had decided to just wear it in a side part. Y'all, I definitely love the way this look on me. The hair definitely was moving, definitely was flowable, like definitely worth the money. Y'all, go shop, use my discount code to get money off if you are interested in shopping with Nadula Hair. Their link, literally everything about this wig will be in the description box, as well as my discount code that you can use to get money off if you are interested in purchasing. Also, you can go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. It will be in the description box as well, y'all. And I will see y'all in my next video. Go shop with Nadula Hair.